Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, look what has just arrived from eBay. As I mentioned yesterday, I bought a complete set of 1666 with its original cars, transformer, and some track on eBay. Got this for 20 bucks. And just got here, I opened the box. Of course, it was full of styrofoam peanuts. So I had to empty those out before I could go any further. So I'm going to do a grand unboxing here and see what we have. So, this is all four-wheel trucks. Santa Fe boxcar, first thing out of the box. This is the locomotive itself. 1666, as you see, has the front truck. It's missing the rear truck, but I have one right here on the bench to install. All right, let's see what else is in here. The transformer, lots and lots of styrofoam peanuts. All right, here's the track. Now the track is mounted on road bed, as you see. So, anyway, like I said, I got this entire set for 20 bucks, and I was the only bidder on it. This is all tilt coupler, of course, four-wheel trucks. So this is the tender, caboose, boxcar. We have a flat car. And a gondola. And this all seems to be in really decent condition. It hasn't been used in years, but all right, I think that's everything. Like I said, I opened the box, it was absolutely stuffed full of styrofoam peanuts, so I had to empty that out before I could do anything. So, we have the 1666. It appears to be complete. It is a non-smoker. Motor turns freely. It is really, really dry. This has not been moved in years and years. You can see it's fairly dirty. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. All right, let's see what we have here. So the 1666. This is an Allstate set, as you can see. So the tender, flat car, like I said, this is all tilt. And in really decent shape. Boxcar. Get this track out of the way. There's the transformer, of course. Gondola. Wow, that 1666 is really, really dry. Anyway, I just want to line this up and take a look at it. See what we have here. Get the tripod out of the way. And the caboose. Now, couplers seem to be all right. Trucks are okay. All right, so the complete set. 20 bucks, and I was the only bidder. So first thing we're going to do, of course, is grab some oil. We're going to put some oil on this 1666 and see if it will run. So we're going to put a big drop of oil on the bearing for the armature. Flip it over. Put a big drop of oil on the output shaft of the motor itself. Let that set for a second. Give it a quick turn. This motor is really stiff. And we'll put it on the inside rail and see if this will run. So turn the power on and get this out of the way. All right, power's on. Wow, this thing is really tight, as you can see. So it runs forward. And it runs backwards. So you can see this has not been run in decades, very likely. So it is running. It has a clacker in it as well. I can hear that. That's better. All right, so there's absolutely no problem with the motor. I can tell that right now. It needs to be lubricated and it needs to be run. No doubt about that. That's better. So all the bearings are absolutely bone dry in this. All right, so the 1666, I went through my parts. I found the rear truck for it. So I will get that installed, get this motor lubricated. We'll put it on the rail and see how it runs. I just wanted to do a grand unboxing. So like I said, it's an Allstate. Got the complete set, the tender, gondola, flat car, box car, and caboose, transformer, and some track mounted on roadbed. 20 bucks, and I was the only bidder. Why I was the only bidder, I have no idea at all. But as you can see, this is worth 20 bucks. There's no doubt about that. So I will get this motor lubricated. I'll put that rear truck on it. I'm going to remove that clacker, no doubt. And I'll put this on the rail. We'll give it a quick spin and see how it runs. So I should have this up and running in about, I don't know, 10 minutes, something like that. So I just wanted to do a grand unboxing video. The 1666, as you see, is complete except for the rear truck, but I've got one right there. As far as the rest of the consist, it appears to be in absolutely perfect condition. It's filthy. This has been sitting around for years and years, decades, very likely. Get this tripod out of the way. But it was definitely worth the 20 bucks. There's no doubt about that. The locomotive by itself is worth 20 bucks. So the complete set, including some track and the transformer, 20 bucks, and I was the only bidder. Like I said, I have absolutely no idea why. So I'll get the locomotive lubricated, cleaned up, and take it from there. So I'll do another video once this is up and running. So I just want to do a grand unboxing video. As you can see, it was definitely worth what I paid for it. So just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.